Morning peeps, welcome back to the vlog. Got back from vacation a couple days ago, got a day or two of rest. Now I'm back to vlogging again. So the Evo is not completely done yet. I still have a day or two left before I could pick it up. At least that's what my friend said. I don't know what's going on, but he's having a little issue with the clutch, so hopefully that gets fixed and gets squared away so I could go pick up the car. But for now, got the van. Obviously, for now I'm driving this van, and I'm gonna go pick up my wheels. Yeah, so I got these wheels shipped through Squirrel's house, so because I didn't want it to come to my house and nobody's home. So yeah, we're gonna go pick it up right now and I'll show you guys what it is. All right, so we made it. Head in there. Hopefully he's already got the wheels out. Look at that. You know, that's what my house needs, a garage. Need a garage for the house. Whoa! You scared the crap out of me.
Yeah, I didn't take a shower, bro. We gotta go to work.
What's up, homie?
Why don't you back up the car?
Damn. Look at that.
Well,
oh.
These are $400 side caps.
Yeah.
So the top one is not open,
Alright.
obviously. This is your not open.
That's the
What do you call that? Your
vortex generator? Nice. There we go.
Open box.
You do the honor, Squirrel?
Well, it's open already, but yeah.
I mean, do the second honor. Alright guys, I was gonna go with the Cosmos Racing, but then Squirrel talked me into these ones. Whew, she's thick. Wow, I didn't even realize how thick she was. Damn.
It's fucking 10.5, bro.
10.5. You gotta definitely roll the fenders for that one.
It's a sticker for the rims. You just gotta research how to put it on, or what I mean by that is which spoke it goes to. A certain way of doing it. Alright, here we go.
Here we go. Dang. Wow. Woo. Look at that. Yep. So I went with the Volks Te37s, and fitment size is 18 by 10.5 plus 22 offset. And the tires we're gonna go with is 275 by 35 R18s, and we definitely have to roll our fenders. My coilover's not in yet, but we're gonna have to get this ceramic coated. So first thing we're gonna do today is obviously we already at Squirrel's house. We're gonna pick up these wheels and load it in the van, and then we're gonna head to TLC to get it ceramic coated, and then from there I have to head to Tony's, which is he's the leader of Crazy Concept, and pick up the tires from him. So yeah, a lot of things to do today. Hope you guys like these wheels. Can't wait to see them on. But yeah, let's head over to TLC and get it ceramic coated. So we got the wheels dropped off at TLC. They say the turnaround is only a day, which is really fast. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick up the tires from Tony to TLC with the tires, and they work with TLC work with another company. I really didn't get the name, but I can't remember. I'll definitely get you guys the name if you guys are looking into it. They are gonna come. They're gonna mount the tires. They're gonna balance and mount the tires and put the new tire pressure gauge in there. And then once the Evo is done, we're gonna bring the Evo over here, and they're gonna install the wheels itself. So it saves us a lot of time. I don't have to go to 4 or 5 different places to get the Evo, the tires and Evo install. So that's a plus. But yeah, all right, let's go ahead to Tony's and grab up the tires. So we just got done with Tony's. I load up the tires. Like I said, we went with the 275 35 R18. I went with the Continental all-season tires. They told me Squirrel told me that it's pretty good. I mean, Tony says it's pretty good too, so I won't doubt them. And for the price I got, can't really complain to it. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. It's back there. Probably can't see it. Yeah. Well, yeah, so we're on our way back to TLC right now to give them the tires. And yeah, I'll see you there when we get there. So pretty much I got done with TLC, dropped off the tires. And yeah, we just wait for it to get done. So we're gonna get it ceramic coated. He says the turnaround's tomorrow. And also another group's gonna come in and balance the tires and pretty much put them on and then mount it on the Evo once the Evo is done. Like I said, the Evo still getting his clutch fixed, so I don't know, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday we'll be able to see the wheels on the Evo. But yeah, pretty much that's it for the vlog this time. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for following me, peeps, and I can't wait to see the wheels on the Evo. Peace.